Dhanteras is a festival that celebrates wealth and aims to increase one's prosperity for a happy life. What better day to discover valuable financial lessons from the rituals and customs of Dhanteras? Cleanliness, simplify your finances. On Dhanteras, cleanliness reigns. Apply this to your finances by decluttering, simplifying, and organizing. Start by consolidating your accounts and streamlining your investments. The key is to make your financial life as clean and straightforward as possible. The purchase of gold and silver. Diversify your investments. Dhanteras values gold and silver. In the financial world, diversification is the gold standard. Spread your investment across different assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This way, you build a safety net, reducing risk while increasing your chances of growing your wealth. Goddess Lakshmi's blessing, nurture your investment. Just as we see Goddess Lakshmi's blessing, nurture your investment. Water them with knowledge and discipline. Understand where you're putting your money and make informed decisions. This way, your investment will grow and prosper over time. The radiance of knowledge. Illuminate your path. The lamps of Dhanteras represent illumination. In the financial world, knowledge is your guiding light. Keep learning about different investment options, strategies, and market trends. The more you know, the better your financial decisions will be. Dhanteras holds the key to financial wisdom. Cleanse your financial life. Diversify your investment. Nurture them with knowledge and discipline, and let your path be illuminated by informed decision. May these simple yet powerful lessons lead you to a prosperous financial future. Happy Dhanteras! Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. For more information, visit kuvera.in.